I got into content creation right after high school graduation. I found myself a little lost. I had a
Mm.
plan, but I did not feel like I had a purpose. And I dove into the plus size community, and I felt overly accepted right off the bat. I'm Zoe, creator of Cursed by Zoe. Finding a community that looked like me and supported me helped motivate me create my own platform to help others find their voice. My relationship that I have with my body is tied into the content that I share by just unapologetically being myself, wearing whatever I want to wear, gravitating towards those bold colors, those bold patterns that our society tells us that as a plus size person you cannot go to. I'm obsessed with applying stickers on my photos. That helps me bring this story to life, and then the cloning tool just makes it more seamless. Once I have the outfit picked out, then you find the location, and I'm somebody that loves a good blank wall. Picsart helps me spread my message by allowing me that creative freedom. The advice I would give to anybody aspiring to be somebody like me, a content creator, I would just say just start. And along the way, you'll learn everything. I'm still learning things to this day, 3 years in. So just start, just do it.